Good day students. In this video I am going to discuss with you the problem number 1 that I had posted in the Google Classroom a couple of days ago. So in this problem we had a box-shaped vessel having a displacement of 11,120 metric tons. She is floating in water of relative density 1.015 and at a draft of 5.6 meters. You had to find her draft in salt water, her displacement in salt water, and her displacement in salt water if the draft is unchanged. So let us start with part B of the problem. Her displacement in salt water will be the same as the displacement in dock water because displacement does not change when she goes from dock water into salt water. It remains the same. Hence, the displacement in salt water is also equal to the displacement in dock water, which is 11,120 metric tons. Now we come to part A. Since we have already seen in part B displacement in dock water equal to displacement in salt water, we know the formula of displacement to be length into breadth into draft in dock water into relative density of dock water equal to length into breadth into draft in salt water into relative density of salt water. Substituting the values in the formula, draft in dock water is 5.6 meters, relative density of dock water is 1.015, draft in salt water is what we have to find out, and the relative density of salt water is 1.025. Therefore, draft in salt water works out to 5.545 meters. Come to part C of the problem. Displacement in dock water is equal to length into breadth into draft in dock water into relative density in dock water. And this part, length into breadth into draft in dock water equals to the underwater volume in dock water multiplied by the relative density of dock water. So underwater volume of dock water equals to displacement, that is 11,120, divided by relative density of dock water, that is giving us a value of 10,955.665 cubic meters. We know that the displacement is equal to underwater volume into relative density. Hence, displacement in salt water is equal to underwater volume in salt water multiplied by the relative density of salt water. Substituting the values, we have 10955.665 into 1.025, which gives us the displacement in salt water to be 11229.6 metric tons. Thank you very much, students. Appreciate your time. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and share as well as subscribe to my channel. Goodbye and have a nice day.